how to find best-selling products on Amazon step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the best sellers of any category in Amazon. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is head on over to this particular link. Now, you're not gonna find this directly on Amazon, so just open up a new tab and type in amazon.com. And once you do that, you're gonna type in /best-sellers/ZGBS. So just to show you guys, I'll show it over here. Amazon.com/best sellers/ZGBS. This is the exact link you want to add. And once you search for this will open up the bestsellers page like this. Now, once you open up your bestsellers page, it is automatically going to choose any particular department. And you guys will see in home and kitchen, we have the Stanley Cup, we have automotive, we also have the bestsellers on Amazon Renewed. We also have bestsellers in handmade products, we have shoes and jewelry, bestsellers in beauty and personal care. So you will find all types of products over here. And if you take a look at the left panel over here, this is going to show you all of the bestsellers in any category. You can even click on gift ideas, most wished fors, movers and shakers, and new releases. However, let's say I'm looking to get started with my dropshipping business and I want to look for something that's easy to dropship, such as clothing or shoes and jewelry. So I'm going to go into this category over here, and then we have Crocs, we have these t-shirts, socks, hoodies, and we have like a pack of men's t-shirt, we have fleece plaid trousers, we have a bunch of different things. So now once you go on ahead and choose an item that you like, so let's say I want these cloud slippers. These are like super easy to drop ship. They're super lightweight as well. So you guys can see these are like cloud slippers, and they're selling them for $19.13. And you guys can see they have men's sizes as well as women's sizes. So this is currently #1 in the women's slide and sandals category as well. Now, okay, you found a product that you like in the Amazon bestsellers. How can you know this is a dropship product? Well, there are a couple of ways you can know. First off is just the general appearance. You're going to find a lot of similar type of images or imagery that is going to be represented over here. That is going to usually be illustrative that this is like a dropship product because they all follow like a similar format. So once you do that, you can actually head on over to best.aliexpress.com. Now, bestaliexpress.com actually enables you to see all of your products that are bestsellers on AliExpress. Now, this actually shows you what are the people, the third-party sellers, what exactly are they preferring to buy nowadays. And I can search for the cloud slippers over here. And this will, you guys can see we have our cloud slippers over here. And if I convert this price into dollars, now it's on AliExpress. Let's see what the price on AliExpress for the same thing is. So let's say we have our cloud slippers over here, and you guys can see it's selling for only $3. Now, $3 is super low, and they are marking it up to like $23 to $20 on Amazon. So in this way, you can find some really amazing bestsellers with super high profit margins. Now, another great way to find product is you can go into the Meta Business Suite or the Facebook ad library, and you're just going to search for your particular country, and you can choose an ad category. I want this to be all ads, and then I can search for cloud slipper over here, and I'm going to choose the country that I want. And now this will actually show you some of the ads that are currently running on Facebook. So you can scroll down and take a look on whether or not these shoes are being sold as a dropship product, because a lot of times dropship products have, you guys can see all of these products or sellers are different, but they're shipping the same thing, and they are following the same format, although all of the sellers are different. They have the same video available as well. So this is also going to give you some more ideas on what kind of products are working out on Amazon and on Facebook as well. Now, this is just one category. We can find multiple different products in a bunch of different categories. So, snoozies, parable slipper socks, and then let's go into the next category. We have men's t-shirts, some basic items as well. And if you want to go in a different category of Amazon bestsellers, let's say we want to go into pet supplies over here. So if we go into pet supplies, we have the crinkle dog toy for small, medium, large breeds. We have cat food, a lot of cat toys as well. So we have cat toys as well. Let's say we want to search for those, so we're gonna search for dog toys on AliExpress. Dog toys like this, and then we can find similar toys. So I can't find the exact one that we saw on Amazon over here, so I'm going to search around a bit to see some of the other top sellers that we can actually replicate off of AliExpress. So we have plush dog toys. Now this one we can find on Amazon. I'm pretty sure we found a similar one on the top search listing of the playable balls with the food that can be put inside for dogs. And you guys can see this is like a bird type of toy as well. So this is the toy that we saw at the first listing. It's a similar toy to that, and it's less than $1. Now this is amazing because we can find any type of toy or any type of item that we find on Amazon, on AliExpress, and you can cross-check it on Facebook. So let's do another counter check of whether or not we can find similar things. Let's go into maybe the electronics category of Amazon. So first off, we have some AirTags. Now we can't replicate those, but if we scroll down over here, let's take a look at the Beats Solo upgraded JBL headphones. We have Echo Show Beats headphones. We also have a AirPods electronic bulbs as well. So if we want a color changing bulb, that is pretty much a very hot seller. We have a 6 feet power strip surge protector. Now let's search for this entire listing like this, and then we're going to go into AliExpress dropshipping, and we're going to paste these entire keywords as they are. And we basically have a pretty much a similar item. Now this is in a more squarish tone, so we're just gonna search for it maybe different. So I want an extension cord like this. So I'm just gonna search for this part of the keyword instead. And now we're going to go back into AliExpress and search for those so we can find the perfect listing. So you guys can see this is pretty much the same thing in a different style. You can obviously find the one that is exactly the same because AliExpress has a lot of different power strips. So you guys can see this is like the light version. This has like multicolor options, USB options as well. So you can really find anything from Amazon on AliExpress, and you can counter check on the ad library on Facebook, and that can be a great way for you to get started to find the best sellers on Amazon and start shipping them today. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.